In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase appointment show-up rates with GoHighLevel effectively. Enhancing the likelihood that your clients and customers make it to their scheduled appointments not only saves time, but also ensures smoother operations for your business. We'll focus on one of the most impactful strategies, utilizing automated reminders. Automated reminders are a powerful tool, and the biggest improvement in appointment show-up rates often comes from their strategic use. By setting up a series of reminders, you can gently nudge people at the right times, ensuring they remember and prioritize your appointment. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to set these up in GoHighLevel. First, you'll want to create reminders at 4 key intervals. The first reminder should be sent immediately after the appointment is booked. This serves as an instant confirmation to your client, reassuring them that their appointment is scheduled and on your calendar. The second reminder should go out 24 hours before the appointment. This acts as a friendly nudge, giving your client ample time to prepare or reschedule if necessary. The third reminder should be sent 1 hour before the appointment, ensuring that it remains a priority in their short-term plans. Finally, a reminder 15 minutes before the appointment is crucial, as it serves as the final prompt, making your appointment top of mind as the time approaches. To get started, navigate to the automation section in your GoHighLevel dashboard, and from there, go to Workflows. This is where you'll set up and manage all automation processes, including your appointment reminders. When it comes to choosing reminder channels, there are several effective options. Sending reminders via SMS, email, and voice calls covers all bases and reaches clients in the way they prefer to communicate. Each method has its benefits. SMS reminders generally have the highest engagement rates, as people tend to respond promptly to text messages. They're quick to access and provide immediate visibility on your client's mobile device. Email reminders are also useful, offering a space for more detailed information or instructions related to the appointment. If there's important last-minute information you need to convey, a voice call can sometimes make a real difference, adding a personal touch to your reminder strategy. You might choose to set up all 3 channels or select the ones that best suit your client demographic. By thoughtfully aligning your reminders with your client's habits, you'll enhance effectiveness even further. And there you have it. By strategically implementing these steps within your GoHighLevel account, you can significantly improve your appointment show-up rates. This systematic approach will help ensure your clients never miss an important date with you, enhancing satisfaction and maintaining trust. Feel free to revisit this video as you navigate the process, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you for tuning in, and I wish you the best of success in optimizing your appointment reminder strategy.